Okay guys, this is a quick video to check the P100 Pro motor connectors are not loose. You will need the H2.5 tool from your kit and the 3mm version as well, and don't forget Loctite. Right, let's whip off the cover. I'm leaving the 4 screws in there just so I know where they are. Ease that out. Put that face down. Now just remove the rubber foam cover. Now remove this plastic cover, which is actually designed to keep your contacts secure. Let's just take that off. Again, using the 2.5mm. Now swap to the 3mm. And this is where we want to check these 3 connectors are absolutely locked tight. There is zero movement in those. Zero movement. Zero movement. And I can also see that the red checks are locked in place. So that all looks good. If any of these are loose, it is essential that you do use some Loctite. These undergo a lot of vibration and should be Loctite in place. So re-Loctite if anything is loose, and Loctite when you are reinstalling the various components. Now, repeat that process on the other 3. It will only take you 15 minutes max, but an absolute essential check. Thanks, guys.